Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how I made my YouTube avatar logo and my end card screen, which I will be using in this video for the first time, and how I made my banner. So let's get into this. First of all, you'll want to go to Pixlr. I'll put the link to Pixlr in the description. Now, we will press Create New. It depends what type you're making, but for your logo, we're going to do that one first. You're going to want to do 800 by 800. Let's do this. 800. 800. And there you go. Create. Now, pick a background. Don't do that. Press the Add button up in the top right-hand corner. Press Image and pick an image. Now, I'm gonna go to Saved Pictures, and I'm going to pick this. 800 by 800 space. Okay, now add new text. Now this is also going to add a new layer. Delete it. Pick a font. I specifically like it's actually called the something. I'll get to it soon, and then I'll read it. Should be here soon. Just want to keep scrolling. The Harrison, right here. The Harrison. Pick that. Pick a color. In this case, I'm picking blue, and I'm going to type W. Next thing you do is you're going to want to go to size, and you're going to want to scale it all the way up. Takes a little bit to load. And there you'll have it. You can center it, and that's how you do it. And then you can press the save button and then download. And that's how you make it. You can do it way more complex by adding cropping stuff and putting like your face back here. But I like keeping it simple, and it's still awesome. Okay, on to the next. Okay, let's do the end card. Here's what I have right now. We're going to do Create New. For this, let me see. I'm just gonna check what size it is. I think it's 2048 and 1152. Sorry, Create New. 2048 by 1152. And then you're going to create. You're going to pick a background. I'm going to do a new one just in case I want to have a few different styles of end cards that I want to use. I'm going to pick and use a polygon texture. Search that up and save an image of a polygon texture. They look super cool for both of these things that I'm doing. They're awesome. Now make a new, add another layer. Don't pick drawing. Sorry, did that wrong. Pick text. And then, we don't need to put text if we don't want, but we can put Can put subscribe. We can put that in the color. No, let's just go to the color wheel. Turn it all the way to red. The deepest red you have. And then center that up. Make it a little higher. Now, in a separate one, you'll want to go up here, press on this crop button, and pick the lasso cut, and cut out a picture of your body. Now I have already, or just the top part of your body. Now I have already done that. So go to your images. I have it in downloads. Right here you can see a ton of my stuff. But most importantly, what we need is this one right here for my face and body. And I put that at the bottom. Maybe scroll it up a little. There we go. We don't need to keep this from hitting the subscribe thing from hitting our head. So we can actually center that, and then we can scale our thing back up. Put it in the middle. Maybe shrink it back down a little. That's a little too big. If you want, just make it whatever size you want. Then if you want, center it up. And then in the end card, when you're editing the video, you can put your video screens on the side and side, and then put your subscribe button thing up top above subscribe. And that's how you make an end card. So I'm going to save and download. No, you don't have to do this. You don't have to do this wide for end cards. It's actually kind of better to do 800 by 800. I'd say that's a good size. Or just leave it at the size it starts you with. We're gonna exit out of that. Exit out of the downloaded and toggle home. Now I'm gonna show you how I made my banner. So we're going to go to Create New. We are going to pick, if you want, you can pick any of these size templates, but for the banner, you need the 2048 by 1252, by 1152, or else it won't let you use it. So we're going to turn background off. We're going to press Create, Add Layer, Image, pick whatever image you want. The one I use is a space one. If you guys should already know that if you watch my videos. But you could do one something like vlog, like this vlog thing, or you could do these other vlog things, or you could do space background. You could really do anything, and then just widen it out to fit the size. Now, next, you're gonna want to put whatever the name of your channel is. In my case, it is Warren Skoggs Vlogs. And then, yeah, I have that. I'm going to keep it on this font. This font actually looks pretty cool. You can make it bigger, bring the size up a whole bunch. Make sure, just the only thing you need to make sure is that it stays centered as one line, or else your word or else it's not going to work. So how about you just spread that out against the whole screen, and then you can add the size up a bit because it'll still have a bunch of space. Now that is a good size. If you want, like I did, I went to draw, I picked a new drawing, I pressed these shape buttons, and I kind of made my own custom camera. Now if you are going to be doing this though, make sure you use without fill, because it will ruin it. And yeah, and then why is this working? Why is this not working? Outline. You have to press outline though, so it actually still works. You can press that, make a little circle in the middle, and then you can add a little record button up top, and there you go. That's it. You can press save. I think I might save this for an extra one, just in case I ever want to switch it out. I'm going to press download, and then I'm going to exit out of that. Now that is everything you need to know. Oops. From end cards to logo avatars, and to banners. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I hope this helps you out a lot. I know it helps me out. Hopefully you enjoyed.